Welcome to SmartCut Quote, the ultimate solution for laser quoting. Starting from the home screen, a simple click on New opens up a world of efficient quoting. Here, you can select the company for which you're creating a quote, and customize the validity period and markups, tailoring everything to meet your client's specific needs. Once you've selected the company, it's time to choose the right contact. This ensures that your quote reaches the right person, streamlining communication and making your process more efficient. The next step is adding and editing your files. With SmartCut Quote, you can easily upload 2D DXF or DWG files. The software allows you to correct any errors in these files, split parts if your file contains multiple components, and manage layers. Adding secondary operations like bending or etching is straightforward. And for those who need even more customization, our parametric CAD library and editing tools provide unparalleled flexibility. In the Parts List tab, every detail of your project is under your control. You can select the quantities, materials, thicknesses, and any secondary operations for each part with precision, ensuring that your quotes are as accurate as possible. The intelligence of SmartCut Quote is most evident in its settings. Here, you can manage materials and sheets, including detailed aspects like material costs, feed rates, pierce time, and machine parameters. The software also allows for addition of multiple cutting machines. There's a dedicated area for managing your client database, including the option to import data from existing systems. In the Miscellaneous tab, you can input operational costs, tax information, and set default file locations, making it a central hub for all your financial and operational management needs. Personalizing your quotes is easy with the Company Setup feature. Here, you'll finalize the details related to your company, ensuring that all quotes are aligned with your business's identity and legal requirements. Pricing is not just a number, it's a strategy. With features like multi-quantity discounts and grain direction settings, SmartCut Quote offers flexibility in pricing strategies, ensuring you can offer the best possible deal to your clients. Our advanced nesting features ensure material efficiency, which is crucial for saving costs and resources. The software's built-in nesting capabilities include multi-sheet options, enhancing your cutting process and material usage. Tailoring your quotes further is simple with the option to add additional costs such as shipping and packaging, modify material costs, spread additional costs across all parts, or offer discounts. This comprehensive approach to financial management puts you in full control of the quoting process. Reporting and client communications are streamlined with SmartCut Quote. You can save your detailed reports as PDFs and send them directly to your clients, ensuring professionalism and efficiency in your communications. Lastly, enhance operational efficiency with our packing slips and process sheets. These tools are designed to aid your team at every step of the manufacturing process, from the initial quote to the final product. SmartCut Quote is not just software. It's a partner in precision, efficiency, and growth, designed to transform the way you approach laser quoting. Experience the future of laser quoting with SmartCut Quote.